The Bear's Judgment. Well, our bear is just sitting along, doing nothing, enjoying the day. Until now. It looks like it's a free tractor, eh? Tractor's gonna run him over. Meow. Well, that didn't do anything. Well, now I have him. And yep. Another video made by Team J-Full, or aka Joe Beck.